Few days ago, when Okowa said that he wants Anioma State to be in the South, this is what he said. Listen, pay attention. Okowa said that anyone that is telling Anioma people about state creation now is only deceiving Anioma people. So, the National Assembly that said they want to give the Southeast an additional state, they are deceiving the Southeast, abi? The public hearing and constitutional amendments that took place last year, 2025. So all those things na deceive. National Assembly, they deceive Nigerians, abi? Public hearing where be say all the geopolitical zones in Nigeria do, where people where they want states, they go that public hearing, they demand say they want states. So all those things na lie. National Assembly, they deceive Nigerians. An opportunity of state creation that the National Assembly gave to we Anioma people. Now Okowa come out, they talk say National Assembly, they deceive we Anioma people. Because say na Ned Nwoko, they agitate for the Anioma State, make we Anioma people get that state through Southeast. Okowa talk say Ned Nwoko is deceiving Anioma people. This statement where Okowa make so show say Okowa na evil man. Okowa not be better person. Say anybody where they tell Anioma people about state creation, they deceive Anioma people. Can you imagine? Anioma State don't pass first reading, second reading, e dey go third reading, and Okowa they talk say Senator Ned Nwoko is deceiving Anioma people by telling them about Anioma State creation. National Assembly, where they go about the state creation, they are deceiving we Anioma people. They are deceiving Nigerians. This statement where Okowa make so show say he no mean well for Anioma people. I thought this to say the suffering in Okowa land, there are people benefiting from it. And Okowa is one of those people. The same Okowa where EFCC arrest say he steal 1.3 trillion. Now some Anioma youths they support. They campaign for him. They talk say they want Okowa to go back to the Senate. All those people supporting Okowa are blind. Some people they waka, they go where they go, they travel, they do everything, but they are still blind. Person wey no dey see road at all come better pass them. You get eye but you not take am dey see. Person dey fight against Anioma State creation, a state that will give we Anioma people more local governments, more senators, more House of Reps members, more councillors, more developments, good roads, good healthcare center, more universities, polytechnics, college of education, more infrastructural development. Anioma State go give us all these things, but Okowa say no. Say make we Anioma people remain for South. Knowing fully well that by saying that we Anioma people should remain in the South is an avenue to stop Anioma State from being created. All those people they support Okowa, they know they reason all these things. They talk say, why be say this man they fight against states where go give us good thing? States where be say if they create them, we Anioma people we go benefit from it. But instead, the excuse where those people where they support Okowa they use, they talk say, Senator Ned Nwoko is trying to change our identity by zoning us to the Southeast. Okowa for 2022 talk say him be Igbo man, which means that we Anioma people are Igbo people. Anioma is Igbo land. When Okowa was the governor of Delta State in 2016, he gazetted Anioma people as Igbo people. Under his administration, Ika is recognized as Igbo. Okwane is recognized as Igbo. Same with Oshimiri and Anyocha. In 2008, the same thing. Okowa thought say he be Igbo, so that the Southeast and the entire Igbo nation go vote for him when he dey aspire to be the vice president of Nigeria under Atiku. Now the same Okowa wey thought say he be Igbo person, they fight against the Southeast zoning of Anioma State. That one suppose tell una something say this man is only after his own greedy and selfish interest. You thought say you be Igbo, but you don't want to join Southeast. Are you not a fool? Person wey thought say you be Igbo, they thought say you no want to make Anioma join Southeast. his supporters no wan get sense, most especially those his supporters from Ukwane land. They will not give them money now, 5,000 naira, 1,000 naira, support Okowa. They go dey support am. They talk rubbish online. Senator Nwoko dey agitate to give Ukwane people a state. And some Ukwane people are saying that they don't want Anioma State to join the Southeast. How are we going to get Anioma State if not through the Southeast? Our brothers. Okowa is saying that anyone that is telling Anioma people about state creation is deceiving Anioma people. By that, he is saying that Anioma people don't support any Anioma states. He is telling Anioma people that Anioma State is not coming. He is telling Anioma people to give up on the belief that Anioma State will be created. Anybody where you dey call leader and that leader they tell you to give up on Anioma State, that leader they tell you say anybody where they tell you about state creation, say that person they deceive you. Anioma State where they visible, Anioma State creation where they visible, where the whole world, the whole country they see say this state will be created. Now Okowa they tell una say Senator Nwoko dey deceive una by telling you that Anioma State will be created. Those Anioma people from Ukwane, Oshimiri and Anyocha where support the creation of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. Una don take eye see the kind person where Okowa be. Say Okowa is the biggest enemy of Anioma State creation. That man no good. Okowa is a very wicked man. He wants to remove Senator Nwoko from the Senate so that he, Okowa, will occupy the Senate. And make sure that the dream for Anioma State to be created is being destroyed. So that he will remain in power. All these politicians for Ukwane land, Oshimi and Anyocha where they see, now Okowa put them for that place. And that is why all of them are loyal to him. The deputy governor of Delta State called Monday Oyeme from Onichokwane. Now Okowa put him for that place where he dey. Ezechi, now put Ezechi for that place where he dey. And that was why the deputy governor and Ezechi are against the Southeast zoning of Anioma State. People they talk say for primary, say Okowa go win net for primary. And that is because all those people where they Delta State House of Assembly, now Okowa put them for that place. Okowa don't build structure. He build godfatherism for Delta State politics. And now what thing they use against Anioma State creation. Now what thing they use against Senator Nwoko. Because if to say this godfatherism something not they exist for Anioma politics, so many politicians for Delta State House of Assembly wey come from Anioma, they go support Anioma State creation and the Southeast zoning. Now Okowa no want to make Anioma State join Southeast. All those politicians they support him. They are supporting him because of what they will gain. But those set of Anioma people wey dey support Okowa, they don't know say na that condition where they go still dey. Okowa is fighting against more local government that Anioma State will give us. He is fighting against more senators that Anioma State will give us. He is fighting against the infrastructure that Anioma State will give us. He is fighting against the development that Anioma State will give us. Ukwane land is suffering. Okowa won't keep Ukwane people for suffer so that he go easily dey manipulate Ukwane people. Person they fight your progress, you don't know. Okowa say make una remain for South and you are happy. You gave up the benefit of Anioma State because of Okowa. Only fools forfeit their future for politicians like Okowa. It's so shameful. See rubbish where Okowa they talk. Say Senator Nwoko they deceive Anioma people by telling them that Anioma State will be created. Anioma State creation we don't go far. Now just third reading and creation and remain. Okowa said that Anioma State in the special grace of God will continue to decide, but when it's going to come, it will be the collective decision of our people, and that it will be a state that those of us in Anioma and the sitting governor will collectively stand up and say we want this and it is possible. He said when it is going to come. Well means if to say na 20 years later, 30 years later, 40 years later, 50 years later, na Anioma State go come say na that time e go come. Say by that time Anioma people and the sitting governor go speak with one voice, talk say they want Anioma State. Na Anioma person go be the governor during that time. If to say na Yoruba person na be the governor during that time when they talk now. Now the Yoruba person go come the campaign say, you Anioma people, it's time for you people to have your states. As we dey demand for Anioma State now, wetin concern Governor Sheriff? Is Governor Sheriff from Anioma? We Anioma people dey talk say we want Anioma State to be created and zoned to the southeast. The only thing wey Governor Sheriff go do now, okay, una talk say I want the state. You people should follow the constitutional process and get your states. That is the only thing that Governor Sheriff is expected to say. Governor Sheriff not get any rights to talk say you Anioma people, you never get Anioma State. They talk say the sitting governor, we will all say yes, that we want it. Can you imagine? Just look at the rubbish that Okowa is saying. Okowa is a very wicked man. This man is so evil. Anioma State should not join the southeast. We Anioma people, in 1939, we were zoned to Western region. Now the Western region we still there today, no. We left Western region and joined Midwestern region. Now Midwestern region we there today, no. We left Midwestern region and joined Delta States, South. So what is the big deal if we Anioma people leave South and join our brothers in the Southeast? When we dey Midwestern region, we come out from that place. Are we called Midwestern region people today? No. Are we called Western region people today? No. Southeast is the only opportunity for we Anioma people to get Anioma State. Okowa they tell on rubbish. They tell on say we Anioma people should remain in the South. That when the time comes for Anioma State to be created, it will be created. When will that time come? If to say Okwa the youths know themselves, Okwa the youths suppose don dey protest against this rubbish wey Okowa talk. Now because I say Okwa the people no dey protest, now why e be say Okowa get mind dey talk all this rubbish? E don see Okwa the youths finish now. People wey no get light for more than 20 years, they go protest, they start to shoot them gun. Some of them still dey sell. They arrest some Okwa the youths wey go protest, say they no get light. They still dey sell as we speak. Bullets touch some Okwa the youths. We no get light for more than 20 years. Anioma State wey go give us light. Okowa dey here dey talk rubbish. They talk say make we remain for Delta State. When Okowa was the senator for 4 years and governor of Delta State for 8 years, did he give Okwa and the people light? No. Person wey not give Okwa and the people light, they tell we Anioma people to remain in Delta State, to remain in the South, to reject Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. And some Okwa youths are online campaigning for him. People wey poverty not dey pain. People wey backwardness not dey pain. See the Nwoko is calling us Igbo. He wants to change our identity. Are you not an Igbo person? Are we Okwa people not Igbo people? What is our language? Our language is Igbo language. In Okwa come is Bia. The supreme being we call Chuku. Ground is Ane. Water is Miri. Food is me. Our language is the same with our brothers in the Southeast. People where they say we dey speak the same language, we get the same culture and tradition, the same name of streets, the same name of communities. Everything about we Anioma people and our brothers in the Southeast is the same. Yet some Okwa youths they support Okowa, say they no want make Anioma State join Southeast. How are we going to get light in Okwa land? How is Okwa land going to develop with a very bad and wicked politician like Okowa? Okowa where be say he be senator, he be governor, he not give Okwa anything. Now we want give Okwa something. He not do anything for Okwa people before. Now he want do something for Okwa people. Why is Okowa not campaigning to be the House of Reps member representing Ika region? He said no, say that one where Senator Nwoko dey, so that he go remove Senator Nwoko from Anioma politics kata, so that Senator Nwoko no go get the power to the campaign for Anioma State creation. If you be Okwa youth, you are still against the Southeast zoning of Anioma State. They don't say make we not get Anioma State join Southeast. You be a normal logo. You don't have sense. Animal human for you don't have sense. Our suffering in Okwa land, e no dey pay you. Okwa they complain say they no get lights. Go Ika land they get lights. Last time when we go Abavo, now so light day. 4 hours light day, they don't take them. How they get light? Other Ika communities they get light. Tell me where that kind of thing dey for Okwa land. You think say Okwa and Ika dey the same level? Even if we Anioma people, they talk say we dey suffer. Okwane suffers the most. The suffering where the Okwane land, you can't compare the suffering in Ikala with the suffering in Okwane land. Una dey play politics with I like Okowa. Okowa dey give me money. For that, I want to deliver Okowa. Politics is not play with love. Politics is a game of interest. Why you dey see people dey come out from APC, they enter ADC? Because they want to secure their own interests. Senator Nwoko come out from PDP, enter APC because you know say na through APC he go take get Anioma State. That is a game of interest. You no go talk say because I say I like PDP, I no go come out from PDP. Even if I no go fit achieve anything through PDP, make I remain for PDP. Okowa say give up on Anioma State, make we remain for Delta States. Give up on the development that Anioma State will give you. Some Okwane youth say, oh, they dey follow Okowa for nyash. Okowa kept Okwane land in poverty. Some Okwane people, their eye no one open. It's so shameful. Why they not go take Okwane people, they play politics? When we go get politician like Senator Nwoko, where go give us Anioma State? Which person for Okwane land go fit campaign like Senator Nwoko? Which person go fit do wetin Senator Nwoko don do for us to get this Anioma State? Which person for Okwane land go fit do am? Other people for South they agitate for states. If they bring out slot say they wan give South one more state, Anioma will never take that slot. Anioma State will never be created in the South. E no dey possible. It will never be possible. Anioma can never be created in the South. Politics is a game of interest. The interest of every Okwane person is supposed to be development, so that Okwane land will grow, Okwane land will develop. That is supposed to be the interest of every Okwane person. But some say no, they no want to join Southeast. How are we going to get Anioma State if not through the Southeast? Good economy, Southeast get am. Security dey Southeast. The Southeast is the safest geopolitical zone in Nigeria. Wealth, e full Southeast. Technical know-how, e full Southeast. Science and technology, e full Southeast. Business mindset, e full Southeast. Make we dey for South. Since we dey for South, which better thing I go talk say now they see for Okwane land? Anioma people, wake up. This video is enough for you people to know that Okowa does not mean well for we Anioma people. Anioma people, wake up. Most especially Okwane people, wake up. For this Anioma land, now Okwane land, now Okowa take they play politics because Okwane land have the population. As if we say we Okwane people, they expect say government give us this thing. Oh, if Okowa just come Okwane land, us he go do this thing for them, make them campaign for them, make them vote for them. They go start to vote for them, they campaign for them. Just like he do when he go Senate, just like he do when he become governor. Okwane people still there as they day. No development, nothing. As they break, instead of Okwane land to develop, Okwane land they go backward. Okwane people support Anioma State creation and the Southeast zoning. Stay clear from Okowa and his likes. Okowa does not mean well for we Okwane people. He does not mean well for Anioma people as a whole. Okowa will never go back to the Senate. Senator Nwoko for Senate 2027. That is the only way for we Anioma people to get Anioma State. You share Wale.